Hi everyone, welcome to The Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration and it's called The 12 Days of Christmas Countdown by the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. So I'm going to be linking the hosts and the co-hostesses down below along with their channel links. So I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and head on over to our channels, full watch the videos, subscribe, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can get as many ideas as possible for the upcoming holiday season. So in today's video, I decided to make a vignette, and the convenience of putting together a vignette is one, that it's mobile and that you can decorate it any way that you like, move it around to any area of your home, or you can just Okay, so I decided to make a tier tray with items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. This tier tray came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope the camera's doing this justice because it is gorgeous. That Christmas tree there came out absolutely beautiful. Those were one of my DIYs, but honestly, all of the items that you're seeing here, I did purchase at Dollar Tree and I DIY'd on my own. And I think all of it came together very beautifully. So isn't this mug absolutely beautiful? It comes out every year during Christmas. If you can grab a hold of them, those make absolutely beautiful gifts. And I did want to say that the tier trays have ornaments. You could do so much with the ornaments from the Dollar Tree. And I'm using the buffalo check here in red to decorate both levels, along with some other farmhouse stuff. And yeah, it came out really nice. So this arrangement right here is something that I created a couple of years back for the Christmas holiday. I think it came out absolutely gorgeous, and I'm going to be using this for years to come. I thought it was very fitting for this occasion. So I do want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for this collaboration. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. Oh, and don't forget to head on over to that playlist so that you can see what everybody's creating for the holidays.